Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam Invalid SSL certificate error quickly and easily. This is a common issue that can stop Steam from connecting to its servers, downloading games, or even letting you sign in. The good news is that in most cases the fix only takes a couple of minutes. I'll walk you through 3 simple things you should check on your computer to get Steam working again. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's fix the problem. First, check your computer's date and time. Incorrect system time is one of the most common reasons for SSL certificate errors. On Windows, open your system settings and go to Time and Language. Make sure the date and time are set automatically and that the correct time zone is selected. Once that's enabled, let Windows sync the clock. Next, we'll clear the Steam download cache. Open Steam, click on Steam in the top left corner, then choose Settings. Inside the Settings window, go to the Download section. Here you'll see an option called Clear Download Cache. Click it and confirm. Steam will restart and remove temporary files that may be causing the certificate issue. After that, simply restart Steam and try logging in again or downloading a game. In many cases, the SSL error will be completely gone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Steam fixes, gaming guides, and quick PC troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.